Welcome back to Techline Africa, the JavaScript series. Before we write any JavaScript code, before variables, functions, and any of that, we need to set up our workspace. By the end of this video, you will have a working development environment, and you will run your very first line of JavaScript in the browser. Let's get into it. A code editor is just a text editor built for writing code. It highlights your code, catches mistakes, and makes your life a bit easier. You can use any editor you are comfortable with: Notepad++, Sublime Text, Atom, VS Code, WebStorm, and HotterView. But if you are starting fresh, I recommend VS Code. It is free, fast, and used by millions of developers worldwide. To download VS Code, open your browser and in the search bar type VS Code and press enter. The very first link that comes is the official website. Click on it. You have the option to download for your operating system. If you want to check for the other operating systems, click on other platforms. And then you can download for Windows, Linux, or Mac. When the download is completed, run the installer, click through the steps, and open it. If you already have an editor that you like, stick with it. The editor doesn't matter, the code does. Now that we have VS Code installed, the next step is to create the project. Navigate to your desktop and create a folder with the name TaskFlow. Drag the folder that you just created into VS Code. On the left-hand side is the Explorer, which will list out all the files and folders that we will need for our project. Click on this icon here to create your first file with the name index.html. We can generate the default structure by using this emit abbreviation. Change the title to TaskFlow. The next file that we will need is script.js, which will contain all the JavaScript code that we are going to use in this project. For now, let's just type console.log hello from TaskFlow. Then we end with a semicolon. For now, let's add a heading 1 tag with the text TaskFlow. Go ahead and link your JavaScript with a script tag. Set the source to script.js. Make sure what you type here matches the name of the file that you created. Open your project folder. Locate the index.html file. Double click on it to open in the browser, and you should see TaskFlow. To confirm that our JavaScript is working, right click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. This will open up the DevTools. And for now, we are interested in the console tab. If you click on it, you should see hello from TaskFlow. And if you see this error message, just refresh the page and the error should go away. This is what we've done so far. A code editor installed and ready. A project folder created. The required files created and linked. Our very first line of JavaScript running successfully. In our next video, we will learn the concept of variables and data types and see how they directly apply in TaskFlow. See you there.